Hari ini Dewan Bandaraya Kuala Lumpur bersama-sama dengan SPANG International Skate dan Sekretariat Visit Malaysia Year akan mengadakan KL Vintage dan Classic Car Concourse edisi ke-5 sebagai salah satu acara KL Grand Prix City Festival yang diadakan bersempena dengan Petronas Malaysia Grand Prix Formula 1. Acara yang dirancang dinarapi oleh Majlis Tindakan Pelancongan Kuala Lumpur ini akan diadakan pada hari Ahad 1 hari bulan April bertempat di Dataran Merdeka sebelah kita, dan ianya dibuka secara percuma kepada orang ramai dari jam 9 pagi hingga 4 petang. 1 April ni betul tak ada tipunya. Kita pun dah nampak kereta bersusun. Bersempena dengan Tahun Melawat Malaysia 2007, KL Vintage and Classic Car Concourse edisi ke-5 juga akan turut menampilkan 30 buah koleksi kereta vintage dan klasik dari Australia, Eropah, selain daripada Singapura dan Thailand, menjadikan jumlah koleksi kereta vintage dan klasik termasuk dari Malaysia sebanyak 80 buah. Semua peserta akan bertanding untuk 3 acara atau 3 kategori. Pertama, kategori vintage untuk kenderaan buatan tahun 1940 dan
This year, the attraction for the concourse, 5th KL concourse in KL will be the regulatory run, which is being organized for the first time in KL in conjunction with the celebration. This regulatory run is very unique in its place. We have adapted the rules and regulations to suit the Malaysian conditions. One of the conditions is the driver of the car is allowed to go down the track, one round the track, and he's allowed to elect the time. Thereafter, before he goes for the actual run, with his co-driver, the watches are taken away from him and from the co-driver, and he's allowed to do the run, the actual run. And if he keeps close to the time which is elected, then he will be in a position to win the prize. There will be 3 categories, as pre-1940 category, and the second category is classics between 1941 to 60 and 61 to 81. Timekeepers will be from the AAM, and Dato' Naim Mohamad is the man in charge who has make sure that the run is done in a proper and conducted in a safety manner, so that there won't be any mishaps. The other interesting part is the concourse. We have 15 cars from overseas, 4 from Europe, various parts of Europe, 9 from Australia, and 1 from Hong Kong, 1 from Thailand, and the rest is from Singapore and